wasn't yours. I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back to who I was before. I like me better, I like me better.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. You see the title, you know what time it is. New Fenty product, let's go. So I am finally trying the new Fenty foundation, and it's very, like, life is very funny because up until a couple years ago, maybe like around that 2015 2016 time-ish, not buying a product within like 2 weeks of it being launched doesn't mean that you were late to the party. But then like that time came, especially for content creators, where like if you didn't review it as soon as it launched, like by the time you finally did, like pretty much no one cared anymore, or it was like, oh, you know, we already heard this opinion 15 times, blah blah blah. When you think about that, that's like actually like a little crazy that you literally have to buy things as soon as it launches. So I know I'm late to the party on reviewing this one. I usually purchase Fenty launches the day that they drop, but I don't know, for some reason, like it literally was not giving go get it right away. I don't know, I did just upload that video talking about the Pro Filter foundation. I know like a lot of people don't like it, but I like it. It's a matte foundation. Maybe it's the luminosity being promoted in this one, but I have it right here and I'm so excited to try it. So this is the new Soft Lit, I love the little names they be coming up with, Naturally Luminous Longwear foundation. I wonder if this will give that NARS Natural Radiant foundation. You know, brands be like subtly trying to let you know that this is going to give another product with either the packaging or like the names that they'll come up with, and I did just repurchase that. So this retails for $40. I assume it comes in like the 50 shades that the other foundation comes in, and I picked it up in $4.45. I wear $4.45 in the original foundation. I did wear $4.45 in the hydrating foundation. I also wonder if it'll be like a remake of the hydrating foundation. And then the skin tint, I use $4.20. Let's see what they say. A hydrating and glowy foundation that's waterproof and reduces shine for a notch above natural finish. Medium coverage, natural finish, formulation is liquid. This is a long-wearing medium coverage foundation that gives golden hour glow in a bottle. It hydrates, brightens, and improves the look of skin tone immediately and over time while resisting sweat, humidity, and transfer. So I'm liking the description here because y'all know I don't do like overly mattifying in foundations. I like that like your skin but better. So the fact that it says waterproof and reduces shine, you know, I have oily skin, so really my biggest concern isn't necessarily like mattifying, but it's the, you know, reducing shine, which you can still do even if you don't use the most mattifying products. So let's go ahead and try this out. This is what the bottle looks like. I don't know where my original Pro Filter is to like see how they look next to each other, but this is pretty standard Fenty packaging, and I'm just going to, ooh. Oh, there we go. That might have been, well, let's just see. And we're gonna go ahead and blend that out. I already primed my face. Of course, I'm using the good old Danessa Yummy Skin, and then I'm also using the other new Danessa primer that came out. You know, they weren't joking when they said every month that you get your cycle, it's new symptoms that you got to deal with, because this last go around I was nauseous like every damn day, and then lately I break out and it's like that, like those hard like hurt type breakouts didn't happen to me before. You know, being a girl, it's just love it though. And over here, we also blend out with a sponge. push this back and take it into my hairline. Okay, so this is what it looks like on the skin and what the shade looks like. I'm gonna go ahead and finish my makeup. All right, y'all, so this is it for my face today. I literally could have been done like 30 minutes ago, but I really had to sit there and wait. I had to let the shade fully settle down because it was given oop loop. And you know, that's one of the criticisms that they be giving Fenty, that the foundations run a little orange. And once they came out with 445 and the Pro Filter, I didn't have that issue. I don't feel like I have that issue with the skin tint. I also tried the skin tint foundation stick, also didn't have that issue, so that really threw me off for a minute, but it has settled down, and I think, you know, we've calmed down to a shade where it's like, I'll step outside in this shade. So it is 1:35. I'm going to go up on my business, and then I will come back and give you guys like an update on what I think about this. And I feel like, even though, you know, obviously I've mattified my face because I still have oily skin, I feel like she's still giving, you know, baby, you're glowing. Do you have a secret that you need to tell us? I'll be back. All right, y'all, it is 5:40. I am going to wrap it up because I want to cook and then eat, and it's just gonna get this out the way. Also because look at my face. So I left, what was it, 12, 1, somewhere around there. This is what my face looks like hours later. Count your days. I was not expecting that, and at this point I'm going to assume that it's the products that I am using, which is why I say like I don't go too hard when it comes to like making sure it's a mattifying foundation and the mattest of setting powders, because you can, you know, create a nice balance where it's still going to work out for you even if you have oily skin. Like the Danessa be doing enough on its own, but then especially the setting sprays, I am using the e.l.f. setting spray that I just did a video on. The sun has changed like 3 times of me standing here. 1 second though. Let's test out this transfer proof theory with this e.l.f. setting spray. Let's see. That is what it looks like. Again, this is where I mostly get oily my teeth on, so let me try there. I feel like you can see, like, kind of right there. Now, the last time I've done the 2-wear test, that was with the NARS Natural Radiant. This is with the Fenty Natural Luminous, what is this called? So you can make, you know, foundations that don't claim to be mattifying, that don't claim to be this, you know, sweat proof, transfer proof. I mean, it did claim to be, you know, sweat proof, shine proof. And also, this is what the color looks like. I know the color, the lighting has changed like 3 times of me standing here, but this is what it looks like, chest to face, how this sits on the face. And I like that it kind of gives you that like glow from within kind of look, and it can be long lasting like the Pro Filter. For my people that don't like the Pro Filter, because it's not a mattifying foundation, I think I just mattified it with the stuff that I use. So for the people that don't like the original one because it's I think we're seeing that you can make this one work for your normal or dry skin, and it's gonna look flawless on the face. It's gonna give you that kind of like glow from within type of look. Y'all know, for me, Fenty never really missed when it came to complexion products. It was the eyeshadows. They could have kept that for me, but I like most of the complexion products that I've tried from them, and I am using this in combination with the concealer, the We're Even hydrating concealer. I kind of want to do like a full face of Fenty and see what that's giving, like the soft primer, the powder. Let me know if you guys want to see that. I feel like I've done, you know, full faces of Fenty before, but you know, this is like a full face of Fenty like 7 years later after it launched. You know, is the brand giving better? Same? It can't be giving worse. So let me know if you guys want to see that. But yeah, those are my thoughts on this foundation. I'm here for this. Let me find out that this might have to battle with Natural Radiance when it comes to that like your skin but better radiant type foundation that I'll be wearing this summer. So yeah, that is it for this video. Hope seeing me test this out has helped you anything checking it out for yourself. Make sure to thumbs up, comment, subscribe, turn notification bells down below. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you in the next one.
Yeah.